Unlock the power of seamless financial integration by mastering the Plaid API. First, head over to Plaid.com and create a free account. This is your gateway to accessing Plaid's robust suite of financial tools. Once logged in, navigate to the API keys section of your dashboard. Here, you'll find your client and secret key. Treat these like passwords and keep them confidential, as they're essential for authenticating your application. Now, it's time to integrate Plaid into your application. Use your preferred programming language and Plaid's official libraries. Replace the placeholders within the code with your actual client and secret key. Next, implement Plaid Link, a pre-built UI component that handles the complexities of connecting users to their bank accounts. It simplifies user authentication and data retrieval. Upon successful connection, Plaid will provide you with a public token. Exchange this token for an access token, which you'll use for all future data requests. Finally, leverage Plaid's various API endpoints to access real-time financial data, including account balances, transaction history, and identity verification. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Plaid.